Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth, no-nonsense reviews. Today, we're bringing you a product that earns its place at the top, the Hound Large Slow Feeder Bowl. Arguably the best slow feeder dog bowl puzzle on the market right now. If you've ever watched your dog inhale food like it's a race, you're not alone. Fast eating in dogs can lead to some serious health issues like bloat, obesity, and regurgitation. That's where this product steps in, not just as a bowl, but as a solution. Designed specifically for medium to large dogs, this slow feeder bowl is engineered to slow down eating by up to 10 times. Let's talk design. This isn't your typical bowl, it's a thoughtfully crafted puzzle maze. It turns mealtime into a mental challenge that keeps your dog engaged while naturally regulating their pace of eating. The intricate ridges and valleys are not just visually interesting, they provide varying degrees of difficulty. In fact, this particular model is labeled as the slowest level among Hound's range, perfect for the fastest of eaters. It holds up to 4 cups of wet or dry food, which makes it ideal for full meals. Whether you're feeding kibble, raw, or even a wet diet, this bowl accommodates it all without overflow. That depth also adds a layer of complexity, making dogs work a little harder for each bite, and that's exactly the point. But beyond slowing down eating, there's a broader benefit here. By forcing your dog to eat more slowly, it helps prevent bloating and aids digestion. It can even help reduce obesity by making your dog feel full sooner. Think of it as mindful eating, canine edition. Safety and ease of use haven't been compromised. The bowl is made of BPA, PVC, lead, and phthalate-free plastic, so it's completely food safe. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, top rack only. That means easy cleanup without hassle. And for those with energetic eaters who tend to chase their bowls around, the non-slip base is a game changer. Now let's talk about options. This isn't a one-size-fits-all product. Hound offers a range of sizes and maze designs, categorized into 3 slowing levels: slow, slower, and slowest. This particular bowl is the most challenging, but you can scale down if your dog needs something easier or if you're training a puppy to develop better eating habits. The aesthetic is clean and modern, available in multiple colors. This one in gray has a nice matte finish that fits well with most home decor. It's lightweight and portable, so you can take it on trips or just move it from room to room without fuss. One thing that stands out is how multifunctional this bowl is. It's not just a feeding dish, it doubles as a boredom buster and a brain game. Perfect for rainy days or those moments when your dog needs a little mental stimulation. It's shipped by Amazon.com, so you're covered with easy returns if it doesn't work out, but chances are, once you see how much it improves your dog's mealtime, you'll never go back to a regular bowl. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, so you never miss our take on the best products out there. Until next time, keep those tails wagging and meals mindful.